In 1990, Thom Taylor created a daring design for a Studebaker named Frankenstude, inspired by Larry Erickson's Cadzilla. Taylor aimed to craft a radical version of the already eccentric bullet-nosed Studebaker, and he shared his design with Boyd Coddington, who declined. Later, race car and rod builder Greg Fleury took on the project, connecting with Steve Anderson, who was keen to bring Taylor's vision to life. The design was published and the build commenced. Greg Fleury worked independently, starting with a 1948 Starlight Coupe, incorporating parts from various Studebaker models, and fabricating many components from scratch to match Taylor's drawings. By 1992, the bare steel body was showcased, but completing the car took nearly 5 more years due to engineering challenges. Fleury innovatively designed the front end to lift and tilt at the push of a button and created scissor-style doors. Custom elements included Harley-Davidson mirrors, handmade taillights, and a modified Pontiac Grand Am windshield. Taylor's design featured a forward slanting rear window, crafted by Glass Pro, and a bullet nose with Frankenstude lettering replacing Studebaker. Despite its custom body, Frankenstude housed a hot rod's engine and chassis. Fleury built a race car-like tube chassis with an integrated roll cage, utilizing a Chevrolet L98 V8 engine tuned to 400 horsepower and mated to a GM 700R4 transmission. The car also featured an all-wheel drive system with parts from GMC and Corvette, along with a custom suspension and brakes. The interior was meticulously crafted, with a custom dash, bone-colored leather upholstery, and various bespoke elements. The final touches included custom purple paint and 17-inch billet wheels. After 6.5 years, the full-size Frankenstude debuted at the Minneapolis Institute of Art, garnering praise for its unique design and engineering. Eventually, Steve Anderson sold the car to Steve and Mary Barton, who further customized it with air suspension, appreciating its magnificent and perfectly designed aesthetics.